Hello, beautiful souls. So today I'm here to talk to you about mindfulness. Now, what the heck is mindfulness, you may ask? Well, it's typically a focus of awareness on your emotions, your environment, and how it does and will affect you. You see, Berkeley states that mindfulness is maintaining a moment-to-moment awareness of your thoughts, feelings, bodily sensations, and surrounding environment through a gentle and nurturing lens, which is the important part. So you may be thinking, how can I use this? How is this even helpful to me? Well, it can assist you in learning acceptance of yourself, your life, and your environment. Because often out of self-preservation, we ignore or suppress our emotions. And suppressing emotions can make you lessen the importance of the experience, which can diminish any opportunity you may have of gaining knowledge from the lessons needed to take forward to your ideal future or your ideal self. Not to mention, it can manifest into weight gain, anxiety, and have other negative effects on your health and your environment. So to make these mindful moments easier to attain, I have started a free and easy to use PDF called A Moment of Mindfulness. Now, this idea has been floating around in my head for quite some time and it has been in the making. I'm so excited to share this with you all. And what it does is help you take the opportunity to utilize every astrological transit and its energy to reflect on yourself and your environment. This is made easy by three main features of the PDF. One, you can add these to any planner, any calendar that you already have by writing them into the calendar or planner, or you can cut along the perforated blocks and just paste them in your calendar or planner. Two, there is assistance with setting personal intentions and goal setting using the moon as your guide. And these can be found next to a small goal work pen that looks like a little tack. Three, at the bottom of each PDF, there are 3 different meditations for that week. And you can use those for deep focus journaling and one you already have, or start a new one. Or you can just use it for a thoughtful meditation or a meditation focus. Now, not to mention, it is 100% free. So you can click on this link up here to go to the next video in the series and learn more on how to use the PDF. Or you can click on the description box below and jump right into the PDF. So, love and light to you and yours. Bye-bye.